Hi guys, we're gonna make a quick review of that JURA Impressa S7 model. So it's a pretty solid machine. This is the water reservoir with the filter over there. And we're gonna press the power button first. The machine is gonna start heating up. And once it's ready, it's gonna give us a sign to clean maybe the machine. It's gonna rinse most likely after about 25-30 seconds. Usually they're pretty quick. I'm gonna make a quick walk through the machine until it's heating up. It's still heating up. This is the grounded coffee, and this is the beans over here. The grinder. It's the water reservoir, like I said, and the buttons that we have like for single or double espresso, and bottom is like regular coffee, single or double. You can program them. Right here is the programmable place, the place that you can program everything. It's heated up, so it's asked me to select the product. I'm gonna put the ready. You can rise and drop this one, and I'm gonna select a single espresso. You can program how strong, what's the temperature, all that stuff. It's gonna start the espresso. It's pretty good espresso. Looks like great. If you like more videos like that, you guys keep watching, click subscribe or like it. I'll see you soon.